Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make fish of clay. Begin by selecting clay colors and a simple reference image, then condition clay until soft and pliable. Cut a basic fish shape, add an armature for support, and build fins and eyes with small tools. Smooth seams, bake according to clay instructions, then sand and seal for a finished look that holds detail and color vibrantly. Start by forming the main body with even pressure, then refine the silhouette using a dental tool or toothpick to define mouth and eye sockets. Create fins by thinning sheets of clay and attaching with a small bead of slip. For lifelike texture, press scales with a soft tool in gentle arcs, ensuring not to overwork the clay. Blend joints smoothly so the fish reads as a single form before baking. If you're enjoying the video, please subscribe and like to support more craft guides. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers make cleanup and ingredient storage effortless, keeping scraps and small parts organized while you sculpt. They stack neatly and seal tight. I find them perfect for separating beads, tiny tools, and leftover clay without spills. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. After baking, cool completely, then refine with fine sandpaper to remove imperfections, focusing on seams and edges. Paint subtle gradients using diluted acrylics for realistic shading, and add highlights to eyes for life. Apply a small amount of gloss or matte varnish depending on desired finish, using thin coats to avoid drips. Let each layer cure fully to preserve detail and durability for display or gentle handling.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.